Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today in this video I will be sharing my skincare and makeup routine for this transitional weather. Weather is transitioning from summer to autumn and I'm looking forward to it. But during this time my skin gets a lot more drier, so my skin needs a lot more TLC and taking care of. I switch up my skincare routine during this time of the year and I'll be talking through the video and taking you over my favorite skincare and makeup products. I would love if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Autumn means a lot of gloomy days, so dressing up in the morning just lifts up my spirit and gets me in the mood of working. So after cleansing my skin, sometimes I directly go into my serum, but sometimes I use my toner as well. So this toner by Some by Me, it's AHA, BHA and PHA 30 days miracle toner. It gets rid of blackheads, any kind of texture bumps on your skin. Then I move on to my serum. This one is by Kiehls. It's their Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. This contains hyaluronic acid, so it gives me a burst of hydration. So next step is to use moisturizer and sunscreen. So usually I like to mix these two together, so it just saves one step and saves time. At this point I like to take some time with it and give myself a little massage. For my makeup, I usually don't like using foundation, so I go for light bases. Currently, I've been using Bourjois Paris BB cream, so I like to mix that up with my Chanel Le Beige Water Fresh tint. So mixing these two up gives my skin a very glossy and hydrated looking finish. For concealer, I go with my MAC Studio Fix concealer. It's almost my skin tone, so I like to use it to cover my under eye pigmentation. So for eyeshadow, I don't like to do much, so I usually mix two of my favorite neutral shades right here, as you can see. Sometimes I just apply my bronzer all over my eyelids. It just depends on my mood and what I'm feeling that day, but I'm all in all a neutral eye palette girl. Then I take a brown kohl pencil, so I like to tight line and use it very close to my lash line to give more definition, filling in my eyebrows and following the natural shape of my brows. And then I use brow tint to seal in everything together. Sometimes I like to use a shimmer eyeshadow to give a little bit of pop if I'm feeling that day. It just depends on my mood and how I'm feeling that day. Putting on some bronzer to give some definition and warmth back to my face. I love using bronzers. For blush, I'm just using one of my liquid lipsticks. I like this trick because sticks in general gives you a very dewy finish, like that dewy finish rather than being very powdery. So I do that. I mean, you can use whatever blush you have on your hand and whatever suits your complexion, but in general I like using a peachy blush because it just looks very fresh and really nice in the mornings. Finishing off my look with some mascara. I just brush my hair and leave it like that if I'm not going outside. And yeah guys, that is it. That's my morning skincare and makeup routine, which I do on day-to-day basis. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to leave a like, leave your comments. I would love to read them, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.